watched my fueling hacks for any amount of time, you know that peanut butter and chocolate is my favorite flavor combination. The only thing that would rival that would be something that would be more fruit flavored, and there really is not a lot of fruit options on the 5-in-1, so I'm kind of setting that aside for now. But I am going to show you another combination. This one, I'm going to start with 3 fuelings. I'm going to end up with 3 fuelings. So let's have fun with fuelings. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my 150 weight pound loss using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. So far, I have lost 118 of the 150 that my goal is. I may end up losing more than that in the long run. This program has been so easy for me. It has worked like a charm for me. And so I am not anxious to stop anytime soon, but I do know when I get to my healthy weight, that is where I will reside, I will transition, and I will stick to maintenance for the rest of my life because I do not want to go back. I will not go back to where I was before. So today, I am going to show you how I can combine 3 fuelings, divide it back into 3 fuelings, but not be just drinking a shake or just eating a bar. I am going to combine the flavors and textures of 3 and make it into 1. And I am going to use the Decadent Chocolate Brownie, the Peanut Butter Shake, and the Creamy Double Peanut Butter Crisp Bar. Now this is such a flexible recipe. If you want to use the chocolate shake instead or the caramel shake instead, go for it. If you want to use the mint bar instead, like the chocolate brownie and the chocolate shake with the mint bar would be great. Any kind of combination that you want to do, but this is my favorite flavor combination, so that's what I'm going to show you today. I am going to need to use my little handy chopper. I want to make sure that I grind up the bar into as small of pieces as I can so that it will mix into the brownie and the shake mix. So I'm going to break the bar up just into smaller pieces. I mean, if you wanted to chop it up with a knife, you could. But I find that it's just easier to do this. I'm gonna not record the chopping part because you don't need to hear that. But I'm gonna chop this up and I'll be right back. As you can see, I've got it ground up into just small little pieces. It'll just blend so much better. I'm gonna put my bowl on the scale, turn my scale on, make sure that my bowl, I'm not weighing the bowl itself, because I want to make sure that I have a number that is divisible by 3 because I'm dividing it back into 3 fuelings. So I'm going to add in the brownie mix. You really have to shake the peanut butter shake because for some reason it likes to sit up at the top. It doesn't settle as well. You want to make sure you get it all, right? So there goes the peanut butter shake in there. And then I am going to add in my peanut butter pieces, my peanut butter bar pieces. And I am going to mix in probably about 5 tablespoons of water. I want to make sure that the number on my scale is a number that I can divide by 3 very easily. And I know that I'm going to need at least 5 tablespoons. So I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 7/8. So I'm going to pop this up to 6 ounces because that I know I can divide by. There we go, that's 6 ounces. It's very easily to divide that by 3. I'm gonna put 2 ounces in each bowl, and I'm gonna give this a little mixy mix and make sure that I get it thoroughly combined. All of the powder needs to be moistened with the water. This smells so good. It smells just like a Reese's peanut butter cup. I kid you not, it is amazing. I love this one. The peanut butter shake does tend to be a little bit clumpy, so do kind of give yourself a minute to make sure that you don't have any dry shake in there at all. Now I do put 1 little spritz at the bottom of each 15 sprays equals a condiment. So one spray is pretty inconsequential. You know that I am a stickler for following the plan the way that it is. I do think that one spritz is not going to count. Now, if I'm going to use Pam for other fuelings during the day, I would probably count that as part of a condiment, like my total use of sprays, but I really usually only have one of these a day, so I really don't count it. All right, 2 ounces per little fueling pouch. That's 1 7/8, that's so close. There we go, there's 2 quarters, 2. Let's see how I did. Now you can cook these either in the oven or in the air fryer. I'm gonna use the air fryer because that happens to be my preferred method for things that I'm cooking in ramekins like this. I do use my oven sometimes. I don't have a microwave, so using a microwave doesn't work, but honestly, even if I had a microwave, I've used the fuelings in a microwave before when I'm traveling, and I do not like the texture that comes out of the microwave. So I wouldn't even do that anyway. They just look weird. And so I will take the time to cook them properly, either in the oven or in an air fryer. Now, I like to keep a little bowl of water because it keeps the fuelings from sticking to my fingers. And I just want to give it just a little bit of a pat, flatten it out just a little bit. It doesn't have to touch the edges, but I just want to kind of get it a little bit even across the board. And then I'm going to put these in the air fryer at 360 for 15 minutes, or you can bake them in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like. Here I have 3 brownies that are made with the Decadent Chocolate Brownie, peanut butter shake, and the peanut butter crisp bar. They are super chocolate peanut butter flavored, and it really are delicious. I hope that you'll give this one a try. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. It helps my videos to actually get seen by other people. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would invite you to subscribe and join this trip that I'm on, this journey that I'm on. I post lots of recipes, fueling hacks, and just overall healthy tips for losing weight following the Optavia plan. And I hope that you'll let me know if you have any questions in the comments box down below. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.